Welcome back to No Madness Adventures. Okay, walls are going up today. Oh my. You guys ready for this? Okay. I still don't know if I like our windows yet, but we'll decide that later. So like I said, the walls are built. First one's up, people. Doing a little filming, honey. Do you have all the walls built?
Pretty much.
Wow.
Except the front.
Oh, okay. Wow. Starting to come together.
Great.
How fun. Okay, I'll let you get back to work. We'll tune in again later. Let's check in, folks.
I'm gonna run out of screws.
Well, guess you have to go get more screws. What is it, a balmy 40 degrees? Going up to 70 today, though. Isn't this exciting? 2 walls. 2 walls for the bedroom.
In the kitchen. In the...
Kitchen in the bathroom. Here we go.
I love this drill.
That's a great drill.
Sure is.
So what's the height gonna be? 7.5?
7.
7? When he first built it, it was 8 feet. And he says, that is too high. Yeah, we brought it back. We brought it down to 7. It's gonna be our little storage. We have a storage door we bought. If I could get in the garage, I would show you what we bought from Bontrager's, but it's like an obstacle course in there right now with all the wood. I could show you from the doorway. There is the RV door, kitchen window, which will be horizontal. There's the storage door. The other side's white. That's the inside. And then we got a couple windows behind that. So there's another wall. Very busy. Busy, busy. All right. We'll catch up in a little bit. Get this. Poor Max. Max is ready for a little trip. Max, you want to go on a trip? Don't let Dad use you as a shed. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this. Look at my pillows. I can't with him. Just kidding. I'll clean it up. Okay, Max. I'll fix you up. It's all good. Look at, we got everything. Happy solar. Happy. Nice.
Oh. Just supports.
Working away, baby. Pretty soon, we'll have our own little camper. So you're gonna make the front. The reason there's not walls here, because it's gonna be rounded at the front. So you gotta create. Yep. Have you decided what degree of roundness, or are we just winging it?
Just winging it.
Winging it.
I
This
tried
is
to
called
look it up.
winging it building. The door will be right here.
Hi.
Yeah, that's where the door will be. Right there,
I
folks.
hope it fits. I mean, I measured it.
Yeah, well, that's the fun part. All right, guys, I'll keep you up to date. You pooped? Are ya?
Yeah, but here, I'll show you something. Want to see
What?
something cool?
Yeah.
Stand right here.
Why do I gotta stand there? What's happening?
I'll show you.
Okay.
I got this sack.
Ooh, the hatch door. Why you got me standing here in the way?
Right here.
I know. Wow. Nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Then you got to make those little half circle things out of wood.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
It's gonna be perfect.
I thought you were going to go, like with the back, I thought you were going to go like this with it.
No.
You changed your mind. So that will, like,
Can't even get a square.
so you know what you should do then?
What?
If you're not going to, can't even get a square. It just dawned on me what you said. So for storage, then maybe you should build, we'll build bench couches.
Exactly.
Okay. So we can open that up right underneath the couch. All right, gotcha. Above that's gonna be the emergency window, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was working on that, but I'm out of energy.
I don't blame you.
Or not. Yeah, I'm good. Nice.
Yeah, that's like perfect because you can see through the window, right? Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah.
I just want to see how they. Yeah, so I put a board here and then.
Yeah. Frame it in. Do you want to mark it while it's up?
I don't think so.
While it's in place, do you want to mark the wood where you know you need to put your...
Board.
Yeah. Because I can hold it if you get a pen. All right, guys. That's it for this episode. He's putting the tarp on and wrapping it up for the day. See you on the next episode, guys. Bye.